ahead and keep that sledgehammer in your garage. Today I'm meeting with new clients, Aaron and Jason. They started renovating their red brick bungalow a year ago, but never finished. They have 50 grand to spend and only 3 weeks until baby number 2 arrives.
Hey!
Hi guys!
Hey.
Jen.
Aaron.
Jason.
This is Judson.
Hi Judson. Nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Happy to have you here.
I love this. This is so, okay, there's so much to work with. Subtle drop, subtle drop.
Yeah.
Let's talk about that. Do we like that?
I hate it.
The first thing I like to do when I enter a home is do what I call an eyeball inventory. This is Daddy's space.
Yes.
We've got couches that giants could sit on. We got ducks, we got deer, we got fish, we got antlers.
Yes.
It gives me a great sense of the people's style and taste before I even get to talking to them.
I kind of would like to do something about the flooring. And the lighting is terrible in this house. Chandelier, track lighting.
Gotta say, guys, love this flooring. It's looking real rustic.
We were gonna do floors, and that was about a year ago.
Right.
That's what happens. Life goes so fast, especially with kids and you're pregnant. I mean, it's not your priority, so that's why we're here.
Yes.
Right.
Okay, and I'm guessing I'm stepping right into mommy cave.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, this space is kind of his space. So he kind of comes in here, plays with his toys, watches some TV.
Okay, kitchen. Positivity first. Name some things that you like about this space. Don't think too hard. There's so much potential. You have a lot of light coming in. I would say that's definitely a positive.
When we have people over, I still want to be a part of the action and not just stuck in the kitchen.
We'll fix that problem. The biggest tough spot is this. So because this wall does have a supporting beam, it's got air vents. This annoying wall is a perfect example of what we do. Sure, it's ugly, but to remove it, you'd have to install a support beam, then reroute the power and HVAC, probably raise the ceiling too, so it's continuous. And before you know it, you've spent 30 grand. It needs to stay. I think I have some ideas of what can be done in this space, so. All right, let's move into the bathroom. Okay, so this space, it's small, but it's definitely not, it's not horrible. We can work with this.
It's cramped.
Not enough counter space.
I think the color's bad.
Well, there is no color.
So do you guys take baths frequently or?
I think we've used this maybe twice.
Garage sale. Time to share it with my team. Okay, so Aaron and Jason have already signed off on this rough renovation plan, and I'll walk you through the main things. Kitchen. Aaron told me she doesn't like anything about her kitchen, probably because the oven is buried way in the back. On the plus side, we've got thousands of dollars worth of granite countertops here, and also in the wet bar. They still look great, so I'm recutting them to fit the new kitchen. These kitchen cabinets would run about 3 grand to replace, so instead we'll simply repaint and add new door fronts. All in all, we're saving at least 4 grand before we even start. For the new kitchen, I'm starting with a brand new high-tech oven and building around it, creating a really nice focal point, giving Aaron and Jason an incredible modern kitchen for just over 12 grand. It's a galley kitchen, but I feel like with moving the focal point of the oven forward and kind of out of that hole, we're gonna make it look airier, brighter, bigger, and more on trend.
Perfect. Sounds great.
Aaron's den works double duty as a kid's playroom. Number one priority is to get her some built-in storage, and I'm thinking I can use some of these leftover kitchen cabinets. Aaron has asked that we cover this interior window, which is great because that's where the built-ins will go. I'd like to simplify this fireplace design using some bricks I found in their backyard and ditch that 70s track lighting. These old sofas I'll replace with something softer, a little more feminine. Really what I'm creating here is a space for Aaron, a gorgeous, comfortable mommy cave, which will come in at a little over 6 grand. For their main bathroom, Aaron and Jason want to move the towels from above their toilet and find a new home for all of their stuff. They don't like the way their shower feels so closed in, and they said they never use this giant bathtub. So I'm gonna sell that and use this space for a larger his and hers vanity. The main feature of this bathroom will be the hotel-style rain shower. Even though we save money by revamping all the old cabinets, this bathroom is still a big ticket item, costing us about 12 grand. In the rest of the house, I'll float the floor in the daddy den, put engineered hardwood throughout, replace all the 1970s light fixtures, paint the walls a lighter shade, new furniture throughout the entire living area and master bedroom, and finally, I'm painting the exterior to lighten the place up. And we'll do some simple, elegant landscaping. Because we're reconfiguring the kitchen and the wet bar, we have some leftover cabinets which I'll use as the base for some of the built-ins in Aaron's mommy cave. So if this is the TV, we'll have it up here, all the way to the ceiling, and then I do want a topper up top.
A Tremo.
A Tremo, that's what I want.
Okay.
In Jason's side of the living room, the floating floor takes just about an hour to install. Now the entire living area is just one level. It's Mother Nature. Spray painting over the red bricks has already given the front of the house a huge lift. This needs to be the most beautiful beam you've ever fabricated in your entire life. Because this is the first thing that everyone will see when they walk in. They don't see over here. No one walks into a house and turns like this. They look straight and like, that's it. That's why I did big old pendant. It's gonna look expensive, but I got it on a really good sale, actually.
What?
This beefy thing.
That girl is going on this girl?
Yeah, so like, look how big and oversized this is. The beam needs to be,
Big girl, okay.
Yeah.
That's how they do the box beams.
I know, and it looks like a
So you
faux
want to
beam.
put it at a 45 like the front.
Yeah. The trick to making a convincing faux beam is not to do a butt joint, but to do the miter joint like this. Because when you look at them from the side, the butt joint looks like a box and the miter joint looks like a solid beam. Erin's mommy room is coming together. The old kitchen cabinets look brand new. Every mom loves built-ins. You can put all the crap in here, all the stuff. Oh, it's so pretty. I think Erin has the better room now. I would want to watch TV with only lamps on in this room every single night. It's like a hug. I love this room.
Oh, it's white.
Look at that.
It's like a farmhouse dream. Wow.
The daddy den. I wanted to play off of Jason's masculinity and manly man. So you'll see wood, you'll see metal, glass bottles, recycled things. But yet we have this cozy feel because of all the pillows and the throws. I still want it to be a comfortable place for you and your buddies to sit and watch football.
It's beautiful.
It is, it's gorgeous.
I mean, there are no antlers or dead animals.
We'll make do.
Guess what?
What's up?
There's more to see. Come into your wet bar that is no longer a wet bar.
All my pictures that I wanted.
Those look awesome.
Whenever you go shopping, you have tons of stuff in your hands. You can set it here and go through it later.
Nice.
That's a good idea.
The kitchen.
Unreal.
It's unreal. It really is.
So this is the exact same granite, but if you've noticed, we chopped a little bit off right here. What do you think?
It's
Does it feel more open?
way more open. It's like, I don't even know how much space you guys took off, but
24 inches. We kept the height in this just to make it seem like there's more space.
bigger.
I've always wanted a farm sink.
Do you love that?
I love it.
It's big, it's deep, it's
It's gonna
white.
be so much easier bathing the baby now.
Yes.
We'll be able to bathe him until he's like 6 in here.
Yes, exactly. Oh, and you have all this light pouring in. It's gonna be such a sweet moment. It's gonna be awesome.
So pretty.
This is unbelievable.
I love the fireplace. That was a really good idea. Building it in and changing the color.
These bricks, these are from your backyard.
Really?
Yeah. For toys.
Oh.
Little baskets. That way he can dirty this room up all he wants because you're right next to the kitchen. It's a great place for him to be, right?
Yeah.
But then at the end of the night, you can have Jason pick up all the toys, put them back where they
I
go.
can't pin down.
Yeah. Remember, I'm carrying life. So he can pick up, put them back, and then you've got your mom's space back.
Oh my gosh.
This
is
is
crazy.
Unbelievable.
This doesn't even look like our bathroom.
I can't even.
I felt like they didn't know what to say. They were just trying to take it in, and I was like, how are you feeling? And they were like, oh, we don't know. It was awesome.
You got a rainfall shower. I love the chevron.
The rainfall, being a woman, we don't wash our hair every day. So that has a little extender on the back, like an attachment to where you cannot get your hair all wet.
The crazy thing about it is I did paint, I did lighting, I did furniture, I did decorating, I did flooring, cosmetic stuff. And yet they were still rendered speechless.
I love it.
Yeah.
I feel like you guys are still in shock. I'm gonna leave.
Okay.
I just want you guys to enjoy your home so much. Thank you for trusting me.
Hey.
Seriously.
No, thank you
It's
for.
so fun.
Thank you for doing this. Yeah.
Yay, right before the baby comes too.
Yeah. Timing
Okay.
was perfect.
Y'all have so much. I'm gonna leave you be.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy your home.
Thank you, ma'am.
It looks so good in
It's
here.
Jenn's ideas, the things that she's kind of added, the faux beams, I just can't believe that in 2.5 weeks that she accomplished everything that she accomplished.
We are in a time limit, and we still got the house of our dreams.